Hey guys, Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to take a look at how to use SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. Quick and easy, let's take a look. Alright, so let's do this. You can find Keyword Magic Tool to your left from the menu under Keyword Analytics. When you click on Keyword Magic Tool link, you will find this particular dashboard where right now you don't have nothing because I haven't done this research before, so I have to start from fresh. So I'm going to click on movies, which is loaded up already in the examples, but you can also type in the keyword that you're interested in and it'll show you all the data related to that particular keyword. So right now I'm pulling up all the data related to movies and it'll show me all the modifier keywords onto your left, the keyword data with all the search volume, trend, keyword density, cost per click and competition and all of the data in the glory. And you also have the advanced filters option on the top where you can click and include and exclude keywords if you like, or set up some sort of minimum or maximum search volume or word count or keyword density or CPC, whatever it is. So I'm going to click on the include keywords, type in best over here, and also set a keyword search volume minimum of 1000 so that the tool shows me all the keywords that has best in it and has a minimum search volume of 1000, which is a nice way to filter out all the weeds from the main keyword list. And if you're interested in one particular keyword, you can click on the plus icon right next to it and add it to the keyword manager list, which is a grand list of all the keywords that you're really interested in. But what is really interesting here is if you have a hub and spoke strategy in SEO, which again is a different strategy and we'll talk about it in depth in another video. But if you follow such kind of a strategy where you have a set of main keywords and a main page associated with it and a set of sub pages and sub-cluster keywords associated with it, then this is a nice way to strategize. This is a nice way to organize your keywords, where you have the main keyword as the hub page and you have the sub pages and the sub-cluster keywords with it. So if you click on the left-hand side, you'll find all the modifier keywords that you can use to find keywords for the hub pages and the sub pages. For example, over here, I'm going to click on best and it'll show me all the keywords with best as a modifier. And this could also be the keywords that I can use on the hub page. But if I click on Netflix, then I can find all the keywords related with Netflix to Netflix, and I can use all these keywords in the sub pages. So I can have a best movies page as a hub and a sub page with Netflix on there. And I can also find more keywords like, for example, Amazon or horror movies. Let's say, for example, if I click on Amazon, it'll show me all the keywords related to Amazon. And this could be a nice list of keywords that I can use for the sub page related to Amazon. So as you can see it, visualize it. The best movies will be the hub page, and then you'll have a Netflix under it. Then you have Amazon under it and probably something else under it. And these are the sub pages, and I have separate keywords list for the main page as well as the sub page. So this is a nice way to organize your keywords. And this is particularly why the keyword magic tool is really, really helpful and how it stands out from the rest of the keyword research tools out there. And if you're particularly interested in one particular keyword, you can go into it and find out more related keywords, which you can use in the sub pages. That way you can increase the relevancy for that particular keyword in those pages. But I love this tool because it tells me how to organize my keywords into primary keywords and secondary keywords, or the hub pages and the sub pages or the spoke pages. And that way it is more effective. So that way I can tell Google that these are the pages I want to rank for. This is the pages that are supporting my main pages. And this is my site hierarchy. And it is so much less confusing than what most of the other tools out there does, because what they do is if I punch in one particular keyword, it shows me all the keyword data related to that one particular keyword or the related keywords, etc. But then I have to do a lot of manual curation. I don't want to do that. So this way, the keyword magic tool does a smart way of showing me which are the main keywords, which are the sub keywords, which are the themes, which are the different subfolders you need to create, and that way create a proper SEO strategy based on keywords. So I think this is a nice and effective way, a smarter way of doing keyword research, and this is only possible with the keyword magic tool from SEMrush. I totally encourage you to check it out. The link is in the description. Hope you liked the video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. Also let me know in comments if you have a question. See you in another video.